In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize MT5 multiple timeframes on MetaTrader 5 desktop. This is a simple but really useful skill that will help you set up your charts exactly the way you like to trade, whether you use scalping, intraday, or longer term strategies. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open on your desktop and that you're looking at a chart. Along the top of the chart window, you should see the timeframe toolbar, with options like M1, M5, M15, H1, H4, and so on. These buttons let you switch between different timeframes quickly. What we're going to do is customize which of those timeframes appear, so you only see the ones you actually use. To begin, move your mouse over that timeframe toolbar and right-click directly on any of the visible timeframe buttons. It doesn't really matter which one you choose, the key is to right-click within that row of timeframe options. When you do this, a context menu will appear. This is where you access the customization settings. In the menu that pops up, look for the option labeled Customize and left-click it. This will open the customization window for your timeframes. You should now see a small window with two lists. One side shows the timeframes that are currently displayed on your toolbar, and the other side shows additional timeframes that are available but not yet visible. From here, all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you can select a time frame from the available list and click a button to add it to your toolbar, or select a time frame from the visible list and remove it if you don't use it. Take a moment to think about your trading style. For example, if you analyze the market on the H4 and daily charts, but enter trades on M15, make sure those time frames are included. You can also adjust the order, so the ones you use most are easier to reach. As you make changes, pay attention to any confirmation or apply buttons, and be sure to save or confirm your choices when you're done. Once you close the window, you'll see your updated time frame toolbar on the chart. If something doesn't look right, you can always right-click again, choose Customize, and repeat the process until it feels perfect for you. And that's it. By right-clicking on the timeframe toolbar, selecting Customize, and following the on-screen prompts, you can quickly set up multiple timeframes in MetaTrader 5 desktop to match your personal trading workflow.